Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to begin inside the PS app while signed into the exact PSN account tied to the console. First, open the app and confirm it's updated. Outdated builds hide settings. Next, tap your profile icon and navigate to the console list. This finds consoles that share access. Once done, make sure your phone and console are on the same account. Otherwise, you can't change sharing. This step locates the shared console and prepares you to revoke access. Now, go straight to the Console Management or Devices section. That's where sharing controls live. Tap the specific console entry and wait for its detail screen to load. This displays current remote play and console sharing status. Once visible, scroll to the console sharing or remote play toggle and tap to open the full control panel. You'll see an option to disable or deauthorize this device. Select it. Doing this severs the app's permission and prevents other devices using your account from connecting remotely. Turn the console sharing or remote play toggle off and accept any confirmation prompts. You must confirm to apply the change. Once switched off, close and reopen the PS app, then verify the console is gone from your linked devices list. This proves the revoke succeeded. If the console still appears, sign into the console itself and go to Settings, Account Console Sharing, and Offline Play to deauthorize it directly. Tip: if issues persist, sign out and back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.